everyone, welcome to Luna Creations. Click like, share, subscribe. Today we are going to make an Easter felt flat banner. These are the material that you will need. Felt fabrics of 6 different colors. Glue gun, glue sticks, metallic pens, ruler, and scissors. Next thing to do after preparing materials is to sketch the letterings so that we have some guide to follow. Now we have to draw the letters on the fabric. Measure 6 inches width and 7 inches length. I measured 2.5 inches for the vertical line of the capital letter E. Two inches thickness for the horizontal lines. I cut the rectangle that I draw earlier so that we have some guide for the next fabric and I don't have to measure the rectangle all over again. I'm sorry I had to cut other parts of the video because my hair is already covering the procedures that I'm recording. Here's the tricky letter S. Take note that you don't have to follow all the measurements strictly. You may just use them as a guide, like in this letter. You also need to make sure that there is no mark on the other side of the fabric, because it will be visible on the finished project. Let us proceed to the letter R. Since letter E is just the same with the first letter that we already draw, so we just have to cut the letter E and then draw the pattern into the next fabric. Here I am again. I'm really sorry, but I covered some part of the videos that I just have to cut them. But no worries, because it is just easy to follow. You just need to take note that I used 2.5 inches and 2 inches for the width of the letters. Here, I thought that it would be better if I trim the right side of the letter E. And for me, the result is better than the original measurement. As what I mentioned earlier, feel free to change anything as you go along. Just trust your instinct. It's time to cut the letters that we draw earlier. For some letters, you have to fold them in half and pin them so that they will be even. Get a piece of felt fabric to add another layer to the letters and make them sturdy. You have to glue them all the way around using a hot glue. These small pieces of felt fabric measures 1 inch by 1.5 inches. We'll use them for the back side of the letters as a casing for the white cord. Now, it's time to stick the two layers together. Take note to press the fabrics with the hot glue to smoothen and avoid lumps. Do the same for the rest of the letters. After you glue the two layers of fabric, now we have to trim the excess fabric. Again, do the same with the rest of the letters. I skipped the part where I made the small designs because it is too messy. Please don't throw away some excess felt fabrics because they might be usable for making small designs or maybe for your future projects. Like in these designs, I actually used the scrap fabric I have in making them. Now, you have to trim the excess fabric. I turned the letters on its back to glue the casing. After gluing the upper part of the casing, insert the cord and glue the lower part of the casing. The last step is to tie the cord on both ends.
Voila, voila, voila,
Here's our finished Easter flat banner. Hope you learned something today. Keep safe and God bless you all. Bye!